my slide here, I just wanted to do a little bit of comparisons between property and shares. If someone had been considering, so if Evan had been looking at property and he was feeling like he's been sort of robbed, that I can't negatively gear, I'm not going to buy a house anymore, I don't know what I'm going to do. It's not all bad. You can buy into those shares. You can still get a very, very strong rate of return out of it. You can get better tax advantages out of it, and you actually have a lot less costs associated with it. So what I have on here is a $1 million property and $1 million worth of shares, and the stamp duty to acquire a $1 million property is $38,000. The stamp duty to acquire shares is zero. There's no stamp duty. The agent's costs, now you don't pay agents costs when you're buying, but you do when you sell. So you do pay acquisition costs with shares, and that's about 0.22%. So to buy $1 million worth of shares, you'll pay about $2,200. So it's not a particularly large amount of money.